When you install extreme-pbr add-on, you can choose how large your offline library will be, how much download time and hard drive memory you want to dedicate. The complete material library, with resolution ranging from 0.5K to 8K, is about 200 gigabytes, and it can be time-consuming to download and deal with it. You can start installing lower resolutions only, and then download the detailed textures you actually need. No decision is final, all materials and resolutions are available at any time. In this example, I want to take a close-up of this character. When I set the camera, I noticed that the wall hasn't enough resolution, it looks blurred. So I try to swap it with the 8K version. As I didn't download it yet, the add-on asks me if I want to proceed. I click on the button to open the download window. Here I can choose if to download the whole collection of resolutions or only the selected one. I choose selected one only. I click the yes button, then OK to confirm. The download starts and I can see a progression panel. Once finished, I click the close button. Now I select the object and swap the 0.5K textures with the 8K version. Much better details,